We spent our weekend at the Sky Beach Hotel Caf de Fushi. It took us around 45 minutes to reach the island. Yeah, they were super welcoming and they came to receive us. So, let's check our room. Everything was provided very well, and here is the master bed. Yes, we have a balcony in our room, and it's pretty spacious. Now let's go to the terrace. The sun is almost set. We can clearly see the east and west side from the rooftop, which means you can see the sunrise and the sunset as well. And this is the bar at the rooftop.